So most importantly, like when you're over 40, you're more confident about the things that you want in life. You don't want to like do things that you don't want to do. So you are more confident about life. You're able to present things like in articulate manner, and you're more decisive about life. And over 40 comes with a lot of experiences in terms of if you have a career or life experiences. You have so many things that you are able to share. So this is a chance that you can share with the world, and you're able to earn from your passions. So if you have a service or goods that you're providing, you can package them and actually show it on your YouTube channel, and you can get people like purchasing just straight from your YouTube channel. So I think that's a very big advantage. Like when you're over 40, you have a chance to package what you already have within you and make money out of it. I think that's earning from what you're passionate about is the greatest thing that you can do for yourself. I am Milka Keep Quiet, and I have been on YouTube channel for quite a while now, and I just wanted to share quickly why it is important to start a YouTube channel even if you are over 40. So if you're over 40 years old and you're feeling like maybe it's too late to start a YouTube channel, then you have to listen to this video to the end, and then you have a lot of experience. There is something that you know, or something that you can help someone else out there. Everybody has something that they are good at, and you have your passions, you have your career, maybe you even have a source of income, and based on that you're able to implement some of the things that you wanted to implement earlier on in life, and you didn't have like the resources, but now is when you have the resources to implement or to make that come true, and then you can sell them online. And another thing is that YouTube is the largest search engine, and it's owned by Google. So if someone is searching for something, certain thing from Google, the first thing that they will show, if there's a video that has been made about that particular topic, then it's going to be recommended to the person who is searching. And for that reason, your content is going to be discovered, and people are going to watch your content when it's suggested for them. And if it's the right content, then the people are going to watch. People who are over 40, majority of the content creators or consumers, people who consume the content from YouTube, are actually over 40s. So there are very few creators who are over 40 creating content on YouTube. So there is a huge market for us to bring our experience, the things that we've gone through in life, we're able to share with other people. So there is a very big market or big space for people who are over 40. It gives you a chance to connect with people globally. There is no restriction as to where your content can be kind of recommended. So you can find your content being watched from United States of America. Like from my analytics, I can see the biggest number of viewers are actually from the US. I have guys from UK, India, Finland, Kenya, so Canada. So like you have a chance to reach people globally. So it's a chance to connect with so many people on a global scale. And for you to start your YouTube channel, you don't need to pay rent, pay electricity, pay water, pay for whatever, all those things that come with starting a business. You don't need a license. Just create, if you have a Google account, you're able to create your YouTube account channel, and you start from there producing content on things that you're comfortable talking about. So, and since it's free of charge, there are no recurrent expenses that the bills are coming every month. And if you don't make any money, then how are you going to pay the bills? So for YouTube, it's free. It's something that you can do without paying anything, unless you want to pay for the softwares or buy expensive equipment. That is optional. But anybody with a phone which can take videos and something to record, you're good to go. So you don't need you don't have any recurrent expenses, and there is flexibility in terms of you're able to take a break. You can set your own frequency. If you want to create content once a week, once a day, once a month, once a year, it's up to you. And you can take as long breaks as possible, or you can create content like continuously if you like, or if you're able, or you have the resources, because there is no limitation on how much content you can produce in a day. It's up to you. So I think that's an advantage, because you can work based on your life situation at that time. And if you're looking at YouTube as a source of extra income, that's like a passive income, it gives you an opportunity to earn. So like once you fulfill the requirements for monetization, that is a YouTube partnership program. That's like minimum 500 subscribers, 3,000 watch hours, or if you have 1,000 and 4,000 watch hours for the long form videos, or 10 million for the shorts, then you can apply for the YouTube partnership program. And in the program, you're able to earn from the ads that run in between your video. You can earn from affiliate programs if you join. You can earn from the online shop and refer some products to people to watch. So that gives you a chance to earn a passive income. And if you have an online shop, or you have products or services that you're already like providing, you can actually put a link there and advertise those products, so people are able to buy straight from your YouTube channel. So it gives you a chance to earn extra income, and there are people actually already doing it like full time. So it's not just like for part time. You can also do it as full time and get enough to sustain you. And another thing is that after 40, we love to keep things simple. We love simplicity. So don't overthink about how to create your content. Make it simple. There is always someone looking for your content. Do not overproduce. So like if you're doing over editing and overthinking about what to produce, what topic, what camera, what software to use, I mean, that just complicates it. So remember, what you can publish is more important than making it perfect. So if you're taking a whole week trying to create some content, it's better to do a simple content that you can produce within two to 3 days, or preferably the same day. Because if it's perfect and it's sitting in your computer, nobody can watch it unless you publish. So we love simplicity, and therefore you can use whatever you have. You don't have to buy expensive camera. You don't have to buy expensive microphones, etc., or make a studio, something like that. So just use what you have. Use your phone. Use the phone earphones, the ones that come with it. So you don't have to overthink and make things so complicated. Just complete the video to the best of your version. Someone out there is going to watch your content. And another thing about individuals who are over 40 is that we prefer to be flexible. Yeah, we prefer to work on our own terms, on our own time, and when we can, and wherever we can. And YouTube gives you that opportunity. You're able to create your content from wherever you are. You don't have, like right now, I'm in the car. Normally I create my content in the house, but if you have an opportunity to create from whatever activity you're attending, then you have the flexibility and the permission to create the content wherever you are, whenever you want, and when it suits your time. And there is also flexibility in terms of, like, you can make a very short video, you can make a long form video, you can make the shorts, or you can even make a community post, which is more or less similar than making a Facebook post. And another thing is that YouTube is very accommodating. It doesn't discriminate based on your age. If you're very young, if you're very old, if you're from whatever race, whatever part of the country, you have a chance or equal opportunity to create your content. And you can choose whatever topic you want to create, as long as it's not violating community guidelines or rules. That way, YouTube is for everyone. It's just you to start. And I think and I hope that you start as soon as possible.